feel?
Of course. I feel sad.
Breathing.
Sad and
Ay, yung mic binibigay ni Toby.
Sige, give it to Lola Toby. Thank you, Toby. Thank you.
Sit down, sit down.
There. CJ is watching. Shout out to Australia over there.
PJ is playing a game. Yes.
So let's
Oh, don't cover me. Okay.
can you share with us, we have a translator, can you share with us the memories you have with Lola?
Childhood memories.
Kanta na lang in English.
Childhood memories?
Childhood. I remember at the young age of about 5 or 6, I had this illness. I got infected with
TB.
Tuberculosis.
yeah, what do you call that?
TB?
What's like
Virus.
Tuberculosis, bacteria.
Yung sa lungs.
Respiratory? Respiratory?
But no.
One word.
English? 2 syllables?
Ano yung pinatawag nila?
Scarred? Scarred lungs?
Heart, ano?
Sa baga. Basta kayo nila police. Tuberculosis yun. TB in short. Ano ba yun? She used to bring me to the doctor, local doctor, of course. And since at that time, 1960s, early 1960s, TB was not yet, curable. So it talked about until high school days that I was finally healed or cleared by the doctor. So, because in my hometown, there was no hospital. Every now and then, I was brought to the nearby city, which is Tacloban City. She always accompanied me, and not only that, she took care of my, diet. She used to cook, or not really cook, she used to buy what do you call this? Yung pig liver, and isusok pa yun, tapos
Ihaw.
ihaw. Tapos, ano daw yun? Dapat daw dapat daw half-cook lang. So, she always forced me to
To eat that.
To eat that.
How did it taste?
it tastes, what? I was forced to eat about half a kilo. May no. Yung pag-slice ko, pag-chew ko, lumalabas yung blood. It's really, for me,
But it worked? Did it work?
I don't know.
But it was her showing you that, how she cares for you.
Tapos,
by making that.
tapos, yung embryo rin naman, she will give me, yung
Kamote?
ganas, kamote leaves.
Talbos.
Talbos ang kamuti.
So, talbos ng kamote. And then, without cooking it, just put
Hot water.
boiled water on it, and then I have to eat all of it.
Steam.
Sometimes,
Blanched daw pala yung tawag nun. Sabi ni Dre, yung social na term, blanched.
sometimes I have to, when mom is not looking at, throw it away.
I know that feeling.
Yeah.
Now I know
But
where.
sometimes I was called to Pahang. Yes. Because of that, she always stays with me, and That's the
You don't
the
obey.
proof really.
You don't obey, you get,
Yeah,
you get
okay.
something.
And how long was that until you said
Yeah,
high
I
school?
started at about 6 years old, and then I was finally cleared by the doctor when I was in second year high school. And my doctor, who was used to be a pedia, said, I'm no longer treating you because you're already ulitaw.
Binata.
Akala ko, sabi ko, sino naman sa akin? Sabi niya, you are already cleared. Ibig sabihin, yung
You're
lakas ko,
healed, you're healed.
naubos na daw. Oh, healed na, healed.
What else? What are the other
She was
foods that
tough.
Lola?
She was tough.
Hmm?
In other words, she was tough.
She was tough. Okay.
Tough?
Tough, really tough.
I was
Very strict and tough.
as si Mama.
Si Lola, oo.
Si Mama.
Nalito na.
What other foods did Lola cook for you?
That you like.
That you like? Your favorite ones?
She cooked me my favorite, especially when it's my birthday. So, ibig sabihin, once a year lang, ang humba. Tapos,
Once a year lang.
tapos yung favorite ko noon na fried chicken. I mean, hindi yung fried na tulad ng Jollibee. Wala pang Jollibee noon. Ano yun? They call it now as fried adobo. Fried chicken adobo, something like that.
Fried chicken. It sounds yummy. I think I remember Lola was a good cook, right? I think you were always, whenever she
You're
visited,
always
You
bragging
would
about how
always-
good
yeah.
she cooked. You always brag.
Yeah, when I was already working and Farina was studying in UP Diliman, I used to visit her when I'm attending a seminar in Makati. So when she knows I'm there, she has to cook my favorites. Yung cup na, meron pa, nung lumaki ako, yung cup na baka.
Bulalo.
Bulalo. Bulalo ba yun?
No, bulalo.
Bulalo. Plus, she will buy me 1 case of very cold beer. And
Enabler.
I can compute.
Enabler.
Yeah.
Yung crispy pata pa, you don't, like that?
No.
So para sa akin lang pala yun.
Yung iba,
Crispy
Yung
pata.
favorite mo, yun ang niluluto.
Oo, tama.
Oh, she used to send you food also, right?
Mm-mm. Mamaya. Yung apo, mamaya yung apo.
What else?
Thank
What
you, ha.
else?
Tapos na na.
Do you have any other memories that you would like to share?
Or how was she as a business,
Yeah. How is she as a
Businesswoman.
businesswoman?
She's very, what do you call that? She's hands-on. She doesn't want to leave me to a tindera or to papa. Basta nandun siya palagi.
just like you, right? You're very hands-on. Okay, thank you so much for sharing.
Okay.
Thank you, Pa. Thank you.